In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate UI spacing in Figma. We're going to break down this process into simple, easy to follow steps that will make your workflow more efficient and your designs clearer. So whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many designers rely on for crafting beautiful interface designs. Open your web browser and go to figma.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log in. Just click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Now that you're logged in, you should see your Figma homepage. From here, locate and click on Home. This option will guide you to your workspace where all your design files live. This is your hub for managing, accessing, and organizing your projects. Next, it's time to choose which specific design file you want to annotate. Scan through your files on the homepage and click on the one you have in mind. This action will open the selected project, setting the stage for you to start annotating. Within the opened file, direct your attention to the Action button and give it a click. Doing so will present you with a variety of tools and features that Figma has to offer, crucial for enhancing your design's annotations. Now you'll want to search for a highly effective tool called Redlines and Annotation. This specialized tool is essential for indicating spacing, margins, and distances between various elements in your design. To find it, use the search function, enter Redlines and Annotation, and the tool you need should appear promptly. After finding the tool, you're just a step away from incorporating it into your design. Click on the Run button. This initiates the tool, enabling you to start marking up your design with detailed spacing annotations. Utilizing this will help in providing clear specifications, improving communication within your design team, and ensuring that the final implementation aligns with the design intent. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to annotate UI spacing in Figma efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore these features and refine your skills. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.